This Moroccan chickpea salad is packed with spices, crunchy veggies, and a tangy lemon dressing. It's not only delicious, but also loaded with plant-based protein and super easy to make. Chickpeas are an affordable and nutritious staple, well suited for salads as they are low in calories and fat while providing an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. In this recipe, I have opted to use canned chickpeas. It's a great time saver, allowing this easy salad to come together in about 15 minutes. If using dried chickpeas, make sure to cook and cool them first. Red onion adds a nice crunch and bite, but I cannot stand the smell of raw onions, so I prefer spring onions because they are milder. You can also use spring onions or shallots as alternatives. Tomato. Use a ripe but firm tomato, deseeded and chopped to remove excess liquid. Cherry tomatoes can be used as well. Just cut them in half without deseeding. We often use canned green lentils for convenience and to save time. However, you can also cook your own green lentils from dried ones. Just be careful not to overcook them. They should remain firm and have a slightly nutty texture when pinched. Seedless cucumber, also known as English cucumber. There's no need to peel or deseed. Everything is edible. However, you may deseed it to reduce liquid if you plan to store the salad in the fridge for a few days. Use any colored bell pepper except green, as I believe the green color has a different aroma than the matured colored ones. Coriander. Fresh herbs add a wonderful flavor to the salad. Pistachios or other nuts. I only have peanuts this time, so I'm using them. Simply break the peanut into smaller chunks. There's no need to pulverize them. They provide great crunch and flavor to the salad. Golden raisins. Their chewy texture and sweet flavor complement the crunchy veggies and zesty dressing perfectly. For dressing ingredients, I use olive oil. However, if it is not available, feel free to use other vegetable oils such as canola oil or virgin coconut oil. Lemon adds freshness to the dressing. It can be replaced with lemon juice if needed. Garlic. A fresh garlic clove contributes much flavor to the dressing and salad. Spices. A combination of smoked paprika, cumin, turmeric, cinnamon, red chili flakes, sea salt, and ground black pepper creates a flavorful Moroccan-inspired dressing. Let's assemble the salad. 1. In a large bowl, mix together the ingredients for the dressing. 2. Add all the chopped vegetables, parsley, peanut, and golden raisins to the bowl with the dressing. 3. Gently toss all the ingredients together, then let the salad sit to marinate. This Moroccan chickpea salad makes for a perfect light lunch or dinner. It's great all year round and will keep for a few days in the fridge, making it an excellent choice for meal prep. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any recipe requests, please feel free to let me know. I would be more than happy to accommodate them. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.